Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you free HTML course and CSS course. As shown in the video, open the link in the description. You will be directed to the page as shown. This is a new course friends which is co-sponsored by Educba. In this course you will learn HTML5, CSS3, document object and model and many more as you can see on the screen. Now click on the enroll for free. After that, enter your email address with which you want to start your course. As shown in the screen, please enter as shown. After entering your email, please click on Jimmy free access. Check that whether your email is correct or not. Now click on Jimmy free access. After clicking Jimmy free access, just wait for 2 seconds. As you can see, the page is loading. You'll get a page like this, and confirmation email will be sent to your email which you have given. Now open your email and check whether you have got an email from the Educba or not. Just to refresh and open your mail as shown. And after opening your email, now click here to verify your email. After verifying your email, you can see a new window will be open. As you can see, it shows my courses in which project build responsibility course is shown. Now before that you have to set a password. As you can see, I am setting my password. Please you too do the same without knowing one another. Once again type your password and confirm it. After typing your password, please save it so that again you can visit your course if you have any doubts. After updation of the password, you can see the course Project Build Responsive website using HTML5 and CSS, JS and Bootstrap. Friends, this is a very important course for the web designing pages and all. As you will be knowing the importance of this course, many other. As you can see, the video is being played. But in this video, I will show you how to get a free certificate without any quiz and assignment. As you can see on the right side, I am just clicking on the blog in a checkbox simply without playing a video. You have to do the same for all the videos and the modules as shown. You can see the styling bootstrap. I'm just clicking on the checkbox when you have to do the same. After clicking on the checkbox, you can see the concept has been over, and you can also see where on the top of the screen a trophy which is increasing its percentage. It's all about a completion of the course percentage. As you can see, I am slowly clicking on all the modules and completing all the courses. As you can see friends, there are a total of 51 videos which I have completed 51 out of 51 videos. As you can see, after that friend, if you want a certificate, you have to just click on the certification info. So before receiving the certificate, you have to click on update profile. Now click on update profile. After update profile, just click on your name and enter your full name. As shown, I am entering my full name to get the certificate. After entering your full name, click on save. As you can see friends, the name has been updated successfully. You will be directed to this page. Now once again you have to click on certification info. As same as we have did, you can see avail your certificate, get certificate. Now click on get certificate.
Or we can do one thing. See,
as you can see friends, after clicking on just you have to fill on
we can also do
these details. I'm simply entering my full name and the LinkedIn URL and the review title and review rating and all. You have to just submit on it. You can see I'll be filling this form very with ease.
This also you can do. So now what I will do?
As you can see friends, I have just filled the form right now, and after that you have to click on submit. After clicking on submit, they will be verifying. Before that you have to click on share it on LinkedIn. If you have LinkedIn profile, please share it with it. If you don't have your LinkedIn profile, please just create it friends, so that it will be very helpful for your career and further opportunities and job opportunities also. Now just log into LinkedIn account, click on it After clicking on the account, you'll be directed to this page. As you can see, they'll be asking email and phone number password. I'll show you direct which I have been directly logged in. You can see friends, we can save this certificate by clicking on it. You can see I have clicked on the link. You can see we can download both in JPG and PDF format. Now click on PDF format, and that's how the certificate is being downloaded, friends. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.